Hello, Hot Wheel collectors. Welcome back to Chill with Sabi. I hope you're all doing great. Before we dive in, I wanted to talk about the first fished and chipped Hot Wheels car launched in 2003, the one that came in a blue and silver color. Over the years, they made many different color variations, but this year we have got new treasure hunt edition with a cool brown color. Let's take a closer look at this awesome fished and chipped. You will spot the classic Treasure Hunt Flame logo and the Hot Wheel logo on the sides. The overall design is super sleek and stylish, and I'm really impressed with the color and the detailing on this one. It's definitely a must have for any collection. Now, a little bit of history for you all. The story goes that Fraser wanted to make a Hot Wheel version of a Jaguar car, but they couldn't get the rights to it. So designer Wayne Scott came up with a clever idea to tweak the design, lowering the roof and giving it a unique look. And that's how the fished and chipped Hot Wheel car was born. I hope you enjoyed that little bit of history, and if you want to learn more, just check out the link in the description. And there's definitely more to come. Thanks for tuning in. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe. And if you're already subscribed, don't forget to like, share, and comment. And as always, keep exploring, keep smiling, and happy collecting.